everybody, and welcome back to Railroad Breaking News. This is episode 8, and today's road breaking news. I recently heard from Steve Weeby that the Scenic Railroad is nearly finished restoring their Climax locomotive number 9, and I think he said that it will be running under operation on Scenic Railroad's Heritage Weekend. So yeah, that's all I have on road breaking news today about the Scenic Railroad Climax number 9, and I'll see you next time on Railroad Breaking News.